Hey guys, it's Davina.
It's Rogelie Faye.
And it's Sydney.
And it's winter break, so we're hanging out again. Hi, my name is Rogelie Faye, and this is my outfit of the day. So I have this white top that says Paris $19.99, leggings and canvas.
Hey guys, it's Davina. This is my outfit. So I'm wearing this white long sleeve. I'm wearing this fur vest. I'm wearing this plaid skirt, stockings, boots, and this is my purse.
Hey guys, my name is Sydney. For my outfit, I have this beret. I have this white bow sweater. I have this black skirt, stockings, and I have these black boots and this black bag.
The cheese ball.